We pack up the trucks, head out to the mountain trees, leaving the city, breathing in the cold breeze. Camping by the river, drinking tea at night, stars above us shine, holding these memories tight. Every year we go before the school bell rings. This is what we do, the joy that camping brings. Fire so warm, stories were told, marshmallows roasted, memories will forever hold. Whispers of the night, sky is clear, echoes in the dark, nature's all we hear. Elders to the young, lessons about the wild, passing down the knowledge to our little child. These memories tight. Every year we go before the school bell rings, and this is what we do, the joy that camping brings. Fire so warm, stories were told, marshmallows roasted, memories will forever hold. Whispers of the night, sky is clear, echoes in the dark, nature's all we hear. Whispers of the night, sky is clear, echoes in the dark, nature's all we hear. Elders to the young, lessons about the wild, passing down the knowledge to our little child. To our little child.
Chumocanha